Hi guys, today I'm wrapping presents. Welcome to my Vlogmas, day 13. We're really getting through December and I'm gonna wrap all my presents in one go, and I'm gonna give you some of my best wrapping tips as I go to try to make this a little helpful. And right there, that's my tip number one. I don't wrap as I go. You know, I think a lot of us shop over the months, bring stuff in the house, and I find that if I wrap things little by little, it feels like I'm constantly wrapping presents and I don't like it. So what I do is I save everything, I pick a day where I know I have a few hours, and I sit down and I wrap all at once, get it all out of the way. So on this side of the camera, I don't know if you can see, I don't know, I've got like a mountain. I'm gonna get started, and so my tip number two is I'm gonna just wrap everything. I'm not gonna do bows, tags. I'm gonna do that next. So kind of like an assembly line, right? If I were to wrap a present and then pause and put a bow and then put a little adornment and a tag, it would take so long to do each present. But doing each step once, wrap once, bows once, tags once, I mean, it feels like it goes faster. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna wrap and wrap and wrap, and I'm gonna speed this up for you guys. I have White Christmas on.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year.
Tip number two, actually this is tip number three. I have all of my supplies here ready to go. I really thought about it. I got my tape, several rolls so I don't run out, a pen, my scissors. I've got a big bag here of wrapping paper and shirt boxes and tissue paper, everything in one place so I'm not running around each time I'm wrapping a present, grabbing stuff to finish it up.
We know the time is short, we blink and then it's gone, so we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade.
Alright, so here's my next tip. I've wrapped the present, and like I said, I'm not going to do bows and tags yet, but obviously I need to know who this present is for. So very small on the bottom of the present, I'm going to write who this is for. Doesn't take but a moment of time. And then when I go in and I decorate each present and make it look pretty, I'm going to know immediately who it's for without having to take the time right now to decorate it. So now I can move on to my next one. Alright, so now I have a pile of presents everywhere and a huge mess to clean up. But now I'm going to go through and I'm going to tie everything with this pretty baker's twine. I got a bunch of it. This year I went for these like really basic brown paper with red design. So I thought the twine on it would look pretty. It was like little postal parcels. So I'm going to tie things up with twine and then put on, I got like really pretty classic brown paper tag somewhere in here. Yeah, so like again, I'm going with like the craft paper look. I'm gonna put that all together. I've got like 30 minutes until I have to go pick my daughter up from school. I'm gonna speed it up.
So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, hit the red subscribe button to follow along with my Vlogmas, a new video every day this month until Christmas. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.